Alright, y'all, well, I was gonna go ahead and cut this tree with no rope, and then I was like, you know what? I think I should probably attach a rope to it and guide it that way just in case. I mean, I think it'll fall this way just fine if I cut a notch in it, but I don't want to risk it because the neighbor's garage is right back there and their house is right there. So I'm gonna take this ladder, put it up on the tree, and get this rope on here, and then we'll attach a hand winch to something over there and guide it that way just in case. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, y'all, we got the strap up there, about 20 feet up, should be good enough. Now, just gonna see how far this thing will reach this way. I think that's gonna do it. Let's try this out, see if we can get it. I'm gonna have to go get another strap. Alright, y'all, well, got the other strap here. We're gonna attach this strap to the tree over there. It's all the way snugged up against the tree, so we need a little bit more room. Alrighty, guys, got it pretty tight there. It's going up all the way to the tree over there. Let's go make sure we didn't pinch the saw on the tree. Oh no, we're good. Alrighty, guys, I think it is time to start cutting and see what happens here. Alright, see if we can just winch it from here. There's a crack. He's about to go. Hear a crack noise. I'm hoping it isn't this tree cracking. That thing's getting pretty tight. Oh. Just heard a crack coming from that tree. I don't know if I want to go over there now. Man, I gotta be careful. I don't know which way it's falling either. There's my escape route there. So I should probably be on this side, huh? Definitely some tension on that. Hopefully it isn't caught up on something up there. Probably just gonna have to cut it a little bit more. It should go. Wish the wind was blowing that way. It's actually coming toward me, but at least I know this thing's leaning. There's no way it's flipping back that way now. Woo! Alrighty. Nice clean fall there. Heck yeah. Looks like it actually split. Oh yeah. Hit the ground right here and split. That was a nice fall, guys. I was a little bit sketched out the whole time though, because the neighbor's garage is literally right there. You guys can see that. It went where the wind was blowing. Definitely would have fell that direction. And he also has a porch right there that it could have hit. So I'm glad we got it to fall where we wanted it. The only reason I took this tree out, because eventually it was gonna fall. And as you guys know, I'm putting up a goat fence right near this tree, and I didn't want to end up putting up the fence and then eventually have this tree possibly fall on it. So I decided to cut it down now before I put up the fence. Yeah guys, happy we got that tree down. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna end the video there. I will see y'all in the next one.